Living in Orange Park means enjoying Florida's sunshine and warm weather, but the region's high humidity can pose challenges for homeowners. Excess indoor moisture often leads to mold, mildew, and musty odors, problems that can affect both your home's structure and your family's health. One effective solution that many homeowners overlook is replacement windows. Modern window designs not only improve energy efficiency but also help control humidity and prevent mold growth. Here's how upgrading your windows can make your Orange Park home healthier and more comfortable. Preventing moisture infiltration. Old or damaged windows often have worn seals, cracks, or warped frames that allow humid air to seep indoors. Over time, this moisture accumulates and creates an environment where mold thrives. New weather stripping and seals on replacement windows provide airtight protection. Properly fitted frames eliminate gaps that let in humid outdoor air. Advanced flashing techniques prevent rainwater from penetrating around the edges. By keeping excess moisture out, replacement windows serve as your home's first defense against mold. Reducing condensation inside. Condensation is a common problem in Orange Park, especially during hot summers when air conditioning creates cooler indoor temperatures. Moisture forms on glass when warm, humid air meets the cool window surface, leading to mold growth on sills, frames, or nearby walls. Replacement windows with double or triple pane glass and insulating gas fills reduce temperature differences between indoor and outdoor surfaces, minimizing condensation. Low-E coatings also help regulate glass temperature, keeping surfaces warmer in winter and cooler in summer. The result? Less condensation and fewer opportunities for mold to develop. Improved indoor air quality. Humidity and mold issues don't just damage your home. They can also impact health, especially for family members with allergies or asthma. Mold spores spread quickly and can cause respiratory irritation. By preventing moisture buildup, replacement windows help create a drier, cleaner indoor environment. Some models even come with ventilation options, allowing controlled airflow without letting in excess humidity. A healthier home starts with controlling the moisture at its source, and windows play a major role in this effort. Energy efficiency helps control humidity. When windows are drafty or inefficient, your HVAC system works harder to maintain indoor temperatures. This constant strain can make it harder to balance humidity levels. Replacement windows with insulated frames and multi-pane glass keep cool, conditioned air inside during Orange Park's humid summers. Reduce heat transfer, lowering the workload on your HVAC system. Help maintain consistent indoor humidity levels. A more efficient HVAC system not only saves money on energy bills but also keeps your home's moisture levels in check. Durable materials that resist mold growth. Older wooden frames are especially prone to swelling, rotting, and absorbing moisture, all of which invite mold. Modern replacement windows are available in materials designed to withstand Florida's climate. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist moisture damage and are easy to clean. Aluminum frames with thermal breaks offer durability without condensation issues. Treated wood composites provide the warmth of wood with better protection against rot. By choosing durable, low-maintenance materials, you'll reduce the risk of mold and extend the lifespan of your windows. Professional installation matters. Even the best replacement windows won't perform as intended without professional installation. Expert installers ensure a snug, airtight fit that blocks humid air. Proper sealing and caulking around frames. Adequate drainage systems to direct water away from your home. With professional installation, you'll maximize the benefits of your investment and enjoy long-lasting protection against humidity and mold. Final thoughts for Orange Park homeowners: replacing old, inefficient windows is more than an aesthetic upgrade. It's a step toward a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Replacement windows help block humid air, minimize condensation, improve energy efficiency, and prevent mold growth. By choosing durable materials and professional installation, you'll protect your home from Florida's climate while enhancing comfort and peace of mind. In the long run, investing in replacement windows not only safeguards your home but also creates a cleaner, healthier space for your family to enjoy.